Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thirsty Thursday, so it is time to make a drink. It's time to play bartender today. Today we're going to be making a salted caramel martini, so I am excited. Doesn't that sound good? If this is your first time here, you love food and fun and drinks, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So I have had one of these. I don't know if I've ever made one of these though, so let's hope I do it. I do it justice. I had one at a bar and it was really, really delicious. It's been a couple of years, I think. But, oh man, that was my good apple strip. I'll have to get another one. We need that for decoration. The other thing we need for decoration is a little bit of caramel syrup. So this stuff that you get for ice cream, and then I put a little bit in a plate, and then I just ran my glass in it. So that is the caramel. And I probably should have put a little more kosher salt in here. But I got high blood pressure, so I can't be putting too much salt on this thing. All right, I think that's good enough. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so the next thing we need is, 2 ounces of caramel vodka. I just love that these things are already pre-measured. Whoops. And I swear I haven't been drinking yet. It calls for 3 ounces of cider. So I'm guessing they mean regular apple cider, but I had some of these in my husband's in the fridge, so I thought, why not? We're going to put this in here instead. So 1.5 of these, 3 ounces. And then we need to shake it up. I need this part. There we go. I think I have this upside down. I think that's right now. Whoa. That's good enough. I forgot that stuff was going to foam up if I used that, but that's okay. All right. Pour this in my glass. And then I wanted to add a little tiny piece of apple for garnish. If I can get it out of here, off of here. Let's see. Will it curl up for me? The other one I had where it was going to curl. Now it's in the floor. Close enough. Oh well. It's time to give it a try. I like that one. I think I like it so much because I got the caramel. I got the caramel on the first bite. That is good. I am almost positive it would have a completely different taste if you just put the regular apple cider in there. Well, you know it would. This is like bubbly, but I like it with this though. I really like it with this. And I'm not my husband's a big fan. They're okay, but it's really good in here. It must be the caramel vodka. So this would be perfect for Thanksgiving. What do you guys think? I think it's good. So I hope you guys give it a try. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Thursday with another drink recipe.